Lisa, stop talk like that. You know I'm a big chef already. Of course. When me cook my man suck off him 10 finger, man to suck off all him 2 of them. Come lick me now, dirty boy, come lick me now, see my chest here chucking right now. Come lick me now, see if me no mala you right here. See you think about it. You think about it when you know I'm afraid of you, I'm afraid of you and your friend them come lick me, just rest your hand for me. Now I'm a good man friend them come shot you. Now I make none of them a worthless boy a breed me. I make sure all up my head here, none of them a worthless boy and breed me. Stop it nice, man. See you ugly like a worthless pooper. Hello? Keisha, me say the one Stacy just call me a borrow. Me say the girl can borrow. Me say me just run her off of my phone. Yes, me run her off of my phone, believe it or not. Me run her off. She borrow too much, man. Anyways, later, me not done my credit. Later, here. Wait. You got one party? You can't lend me your purple shoes, more if you wear. Hello, Marva. You never see me a call from man, no, I couldn't get you. Oh, you're sick. So what did the doctor them say? Cancer? Lad. Alright, go get some rest, yeah, my friend. Just go get some rest. Alright, later, here? Alright. I have to tell Stacy this. Hello? Stacy? Marva have cancer, girl. You know, see she maga down. You me know? She maga, lad. Couldn't tell myself, so. Watch a girl over this. Lad, she thinks she look good. Poor Ema, them tough. In her dry wig, she think that a Brazilian. In her dry wig, her wig will scratch her. Yeah, her wig will scratch her right now. Think she look good? I'm done with him, Keisha. I tell you the truth, I'm done with that little dirty boy. The boy must think him all that. Come tell me what to do and come go on like he want to bad me up. I'm thinking bad. Let me tell you this, I'm done with him. I cut him off. I don't want him no more. I'm done with him. Jimmy, you still love me, Jimmy? You haven't talked back to me? Some girl walk and talk and go on like them are the hottest thing. Big up to my 4 baby father, them my body good and me say one man trait.
In love with the money, I ain't never let go. And I get hard with my baby.